Assalamualaikum viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to install Anaconda. So for this case, first of all we have to know what is the definition of Anaconda. So Anaconda is a distribution of the Python and R programming languages for scientific computing, data science, machine learning and related domains. It comes with a package manager called Conda, which simplifies the process of managing dependency and environment. Also, Anaconda includes many pre-installed packages that are commonly used in data science and machine learning. So now, if we want to install in our computer Anaconda, then first we have to go the Google browser or Mozilla Firefox. Then I have to write Anaconda download. Then here the free Anaconda download. It's direct come from the anaconda.com website. Click on this and now download. Here it requires almost 30 minutes. Before that already I have downloaded it. So here that case we can see the one. So we post it. Now we will install direct from the here. Before I downloaded. Click here. Next, there is the Anaconda agreement. This is not necessary for this installation process. I agree. Just for me, all requires just for me. Anaconda. Here we can see the space required 5.7 GB. Or already I have available 69.6 GB. If you want to see the details here, before we include that, Anaconda is a package. See that it's completed. Next, finish. Done. So here, if we search the Anaconda option, see the Anaconda navigator. Here it has come. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel